Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is your teacher Shamila. Today we will continue with our second chapter, and the topic of discussion is Allah. Learning objectives of this lesson are to learn the importance of having faith in Allah's angels, His holy books, His holy prophets, and the day of judgment. As we have discussed the importance of having faith in oneness of Allah in the light of Kalma Tayyibah in great detail in our previous lecture, so today we will be discussing these four topics. So let's get started. Angels. Who are angels? Angels are the obedient creations of Allah, and Allah has created them from luminous origin, and they all have different functions and they are performing their assigned duties. This belief is also a part of our faith. Moving on towards the holy books of Allah. Allah Ta'ala has sent the holy books for the guidance of mankind, and it is our firm belief that all these books are from Allah. This belief is also a part of our faith. Then comes the prophets of Allah. Allah sent many prophets to the world for the guidance of mankind, and the belief on all the prophets is a part of our Iman. Then comes the day of judgment. Day of judgment is basically the belief that the final assessment day will come. We are sent to this world for a purpose, and whatever deeds we do over here, whether good or bad, we have to be answerable to Allah Ta'ala. This belief is also a part of our faith. My dear children, always remember that faith is belief in Allah, His angels, His holy books, His messengers, and the final day of judgment. Without any of them, our faith is not complete. So, as Allah Ta'ala has blessed us with so many blessings, so it is our duty not only to obey Him but to thank Him also, and He becomes very happy if you thank Him. So with this we came to an end of our lesson, and today the home assignment for today is that a list of words is in front of you. There are 5 words which I have used in my lesson, so I want you people to write them down on your notebooks, on your practice registers maybe, and learn them also. And if you have any question, you can ask me at my email ID. Thank you.